Did you know Lay's chips come in different flavors around the world? Yet behind every packet lies an almost identical production process. No matter where they're sold, most Lay's chips are produced using the same advanced technology, precision machinery, and quality standards.
There's no magic behind that perfect crunch. It's science, engineering, and precision working together every step of the way. Every bag of Lay's begins its journey here, on carefully managed potato farms, where quality starts from the very first seed. Lay's works closely with contract farmers, helping them select the right seeds, test the soil, and grow potatoes that meet strict quality standards.
The secret begins inside the potato itself. High starch creates a crispier chip, while too much sugar can cause the chips to brown too quickly during frying.
That's why farmers rely on drip irrigation, soil sensors, and modern crop monitoring systems to grow potatoes with the perfect balance of starch and moisture.
When the crop is ready, giant harvesting machines carefully lift the potatoes, remove dirt and stones, and protect them from damage. Before leaving the farm, every potato is graded. Only the best continue their journey, while smaller or damaged potatoes are used for other purposes.
Each shipment is labeled with its farm, harvest date, and batch number, ensuring every potato can be traced from the field to the factory. The first stop is the weighbridge. The truck is weighed before and after unloading, allowing the factory to calculate the exact weight of every potato shipment. After harvest, the potatoes begin their next journey. Carefully loaded trucks transport them from the farms to the factory. The first stop is the weighbridge. The truck is weighed before and after unloading, allowing the factory to calculate the exact weight of every potato shipment. Random samples are tested for size, moisture, starch, sugar content, and overall quality. Only potatoes that meet every standard are approved for production.
Powerful cameras and intelligent scanners inspect every potato at high speed, detecting hidden defects that the human eye might never notice.
Once they pass every inspection, the approved potatoes begin their journey through the production line, heading toward washing and peeling before becoming the crispy chips we all know.
The first factory step is a thorough wash. Powerful water jets and rotating brushes remove every trace of soil, leaving each potato perfectly clean.
Next comes peeling. Steam softens the skin, while gentle rollers remove it without damaging the fresh potato underneath. Precision slicing is one of the most important steps. Every slice must be exactly the same thickness to ensure even cooking. The fresh slices are rinsed again to remove excess starch, helping every chip fry evenly and achieve its signature golden color. Now the perfectly prepared slices are ready for the most exciting transformation, the hot oil that turns simple potatoes into crispy Lay's chips.
Now comes the most dramatic transformation. The potato slices enter carefully heated oil, where science and precise
As moisture leaves the potato, millions of tiny bubbles form around each slice, creating the light, crunchy texture we all recognize.
The temperature is holding exactly at 185.
Noted. Consistency across the belt is perfect.
The cooking oil is continuously filtered throughout production, helping maintain consistent quality, freshness, and the clean taste expected in every batch. Fresh from the fryer, the chips are cooled and prepared for the next stage, where simple golden slices receive the flavors that make them unforgettable. After cooling, the chips enter a rotating seasoning drum, where they are prepared to receive their signature flavors. Precision sprinklers distribute a carefully measured blend of seasonings, coating every chip evenly as the drum slowly rotates. Whether it's classic salted, sour cream and onion, or magic masala, each recipe is blended with exact precision to deliver a consistent taste. Every detail is monitored by advanced control systems, ensuring that each batch receives exactly the right amount of seasoning. With their flavors perfectly applied, the chips move on for one final inspection before they're sealed into the bags we see on store shelves. Before packaging, every chip passes through an advanced inspection system that checks its color, size, shape, and overall quality. If a chip is broken, overcooked, or doesn't meet the standard, it's automatically removed from the production line within a fraction of a second. Technology does most of the work, but experienced quality inspectors still verify each batch to ensure every detail meets the factory standards.
I'm getting a strong, savory note with excellent crunch.
Yes, the salt adhesion is consistent. We can approve this batch.
Before packaging, every serving is weighed with remarkable precision, ensuring each bag contains the correct amount of chips.
Before packaging, every serving is weighed with remarkable precision, ensuring each bag contains the correct amount of chips.
Each bag is filled with chips and a small amount of food-grade nitrogen, helping protect the chips and preserve their freshness. Powerful sealing equipment locks in freshness, creating an airtight package that protects the chips until they're opened. Every packet receives a production date and batch code, allowing the factory to trace its journey from the farm to your hands.
With every bag sealed, coated, and packed into cartons, the chips are now ready to leave the factory and begin their journey to stores around.
After packaging, every carton enters a modern distribution warehouse, where advanced inventory systems prepare each shipment for delivery.
Once every shipment is verified, the cartons are loaded onto transport trucks, ready to begin their journey across the country. From the factory, these trucks travel hundreds of miles, delivering fresh chips to warehouses, supermarkets, and neighborhood stores.
Within hours, those freshly packed chips arrive on supermarket shelves, ready for millions of customers to enjoy.
When you pick up a bag of Lay's, you're holding the result of months of farming, science, engineering, and careful quality control. After an incredible journey from farm to factory, the final destination is your home, where every bag is ready to be enjoyed. Inside the bag, every chip has been carefully cooked, seasoned, inspected, and protected to deliver the same delicious experience every time.
Every single chip represents months of planning, scientific precision, and careful craftsmanship before reaching your fingertips.
Every bag brings people together, turning a simple snack into moments shared with family and friends.
And behind every bag stands a team of dedicated farmers, engineers, scientists, and workers, each playing a vital role in the journey.
From fertile fields to advanced factories and nationwide delivery, every step is carefully planned to ensure consistent quality.
Every stage, from washing and slicing to frying, seasoning, and packaging, is carefully designed to deliver the same great taste every time. No matter which flavor you choose, the same commitment to quality lies inside every single bag.
What may seem like a simple potato chip is actually the result of countless decisions made with precision and care.
It all begins with hard-working farmers, whose dedication lays the foundation for every bag produced. It all begins with hard-working farmers, whose dedication lays the foundation for every bag produced.
Behind the scenes, skilled engineers, scientists, and production teams work together to maintain the highest standards every day.
From the soil beneath a farmer's feet to the smile of a customer at home, every step is connected by quality, innovation, and care.
The next time you open a bag of Lay's, remember, you're enjoying more than a snack. You're experiencing the journey of farming.